Broadcasting multiple SSIDs degrades RF performance and creates an administrative burden that scales poorly. The modern standard is dynamic segmentation, one secure SSID with NAC automatically steering devices into the correct VLAN. First, use 802.1x with EAP TLS for certificate-based authentication of all corporate devices. Second, implement MAC Authentication Bypass to securely onboard headless IoT devices that cannot support 802.1x. Third, configure the physical switch port connecting the AP as a trunk with all potential VLANs explicitly allowed. Fourth, ensure the radius server returns all three VLAN attributes: tunnel type, tunnel medium type, and tunnel private group ID. Fifth, configure a critical authentication VLAN and secondary radius server to maintain connectivity if the primary server fails. Read the full guide at purple.ai.